You think today's a trap game though? I feel like I'm feeling the Pittsburgh spread and the under at 40.
Oh, definitely going to be in the under.
You
Game.
think the under too?
Oh yeah, Roethlisberger, he don't score that much anymore.
Yeah, he's not much of a scorer.
Not anymore. Yeah.
Right.
I don't know. Steelers been boo boo lately. They're not that strong, really.
But look at who they're playing.
I know. They're both ass.
Come the who else? Like, what other options do we have? There's gonna be another barn burner, bro.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, I didn't expect the Giants to do so well yesterday. Did you lose that bet?
Yes, I did.
Why do you choose to keep betting on the Raiders? You know they're ass.
All right. Okay.
You know for a fact that they're ass.
It's like saying, why do you keep pumping AMC?
Oh, we're doing this. We're shake it like a salt shaker, won't you? Shake it like a salt shaker. All right, think about it this way. The reason why I say that is A, I hate the Raiders, right? Also, B, they have no proper coach. Their coach their coach essentially just said, you know what, I'm out, right? Their
did
star
he get
wide
paid
receiver.
Out? Did Gruden get paid out?
I'm pretty sure he got paid out. Yeah, for sure, dude.
He had like a 10-year contract.
Yeah, dude.
So they bought him out, right?
Yeah. He hit all the prerequisites to get paid off. He's white. Right? For sure he got paid off. Like, can you imagine him like not getting like you know what I mean? Not getting a contract signed. Also, think about it this way: their star wide receiver who who was involved in a terrible incident, right?
Yeah,
is now
terrible.
Gone. Plus, their cornerback is let go this morning because he shot a video of himself with a gun.
Wait, who?
I forgot the name. There was a video that surfaced. It was a guy who was shooting a video with a gun, and I don't know, dude. I feel like the Raiders are the worst team to be in Vegas. They can't handle that city.
They're bad boys, man. Bad boys for life.
No, I don't know. There's a difference between bad boys, because some bad boys can get the job done, right? Look at the Pistons. Those are the bad boys, right?
Yeah.
These are just the terrible boys. Like, they're just horrible. Top of the division for no reason, because the rest of the division is complete ass anyways.
Hey, man.
Like, by default?
Hey.
I don't know. All right. Well, anyways, welcome to Daddy Miss, your trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What is going on? Saint Teflon John here.
Saint Teflon John is in the building, dodged another bullet, and he didn't even know it, right? Magic gains tomorrow loading. So if you guys are interested in how we find these plays, and if you guys want to get in on the secret sauce, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Still buying long calls on Robinhood? Have some self-respect, man. That's just plain rude. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
Speaking of Robinhood, they had some news again.
Exactly. If you're still buying calls on Robinhood, have some self-respect.
That's why we always preach, how bad Robinhood is. What happened after hours?
Terrible. Just absolutely terrible.
There was some data breach. Majority of your information is already out there.
That's, I'm also like cautious. I know a lot of people love trading on Webull. I know people like, oh my God, Webull is the answer. I'm going to break it to you guys. It's not. Webull is owned by China.
Well, yeah, we knew that. There's some Chinese characters on it.
But it's so crazy that people are just like, I love Webull.
If you go on the website, there's Chinese characters.
Right? Is that even a publicly traded company? I don't think so.
Not yet. But it's like, okay, you're depositing money in your Webull account, right? Technically, Webull, Chinese government, they can lend that money out.
On the realsies, too.
They're playing you.
On the real Z's. I mean, not like, let's just be real here. All brokers are kind of like ass, right?
Bro, the Chinese, we're playing checkers. They're playing chess. 3D chess.
No, we're playing checkers. They're playing Chinese checkers. You know exactly what I'm talking about too. It's in the stock. Oh man. I can't believe you missed that one. That was way too easy of a layup too. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up, because John, if they give us a thumbs down,
your mama is a hoe.
Drop down in the comment section below stocks you guys want us to cover, and let's get to it after this banging intro. Member gains. We got some
man. Oh man, look at that! First thing in the morning, trying to wake me up.
Hey, did you have a hard time waking up today?
No, I didn't. I actually woke up super early.
Hella early for no reason.
Because Tesla whooped my ass, man.
Hella early for no reason. All right, let's take a look.
Don't worry, I'll get it back. I'm not worried.
Yeah, let's take a look at these member gains. Andrew.
No, what was it? What did he say?
What he said, look, Teflon John, no Tesla gains today.
And then followed it up with
psych. He did buy more. He bought the dip. He bought the dip. He bought the dip. Savage. Just all around savagery. I respect it. The captain of the ship. I know.
Look at this guy.
Tesla puts. 6 bands off of Tesla puts.
Savage Look at this guy. Wow.
Savage moves. I lost 140 on ZM puts earlier. It was just so choppy. There was no clear direction on ZM. I closed Disney for 415 and I closed Lucid for 863 as it was starting to get some pressure before the recovery. Should have held Lucid, but you know what? It is what it is.
Yeah, Lucid ran some more.
What it is. Ruel hit some Disney today. Solid move. Jay heard the news of AMD.
Back at it again.
I know. Savage. Look at that. 2 bands off
why
of
AMD. Why is he not on the show? Why am I doing the show?
Why are you doing the show? Because you're Teflon John and he doesn't watch the shit anyways.
We can talk all kinds of shit then.
Bruce, 2K off of Qs. Nice. $500 off of AAL. Savage move from Bruce. Right, that's pretty much it for our today's member gains. Let's take a look at the first stock that we want to cover. John is super excited about this one. It is Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX.
Aren't you glad we're covering Roblox? Because I'm building a position for Roblox, and next thing you know, earnings came right today. After hours earnings, they put up some decent numbers. Okay, they lost 13 cents. They beat it by a penny estimate, but their sales revenue is somewhat flat. But what got all all these investors all excited is the daily average users. What does that mean? It means Roblox is up 31% year over year.
Oh, wow.
Okay, savage. So meaning that 47 million users, daily average users, right? They're up 15 million from last year. Sheesh.
This is going to be a very, very good trade tomorrow.
Yeah, so you can play this on both ends. Yeah, you can play this both ends. Go ahead.
It ran all the way to $98.25. I mean, 105 really, but then after hours, it dipped to $98.
Hey, bro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 105 as resistance.
Okay.
Okay, so let's use that as resistance. And then whatever the low is for today after hours, that's what you're going to use as a low for tomorrow. Now, if that breaks tomorrow, then most likely it's going to come down to fill the gap. But it's not going to come down all the way to 80, back to 80. Okay.
No, it's not.
It's not going to do that. So we can definitely play this in both ways. So wherever it ends, tonight for after hours, use those as your levels. I guarantee you, it works.
They do. They really do, and that's how
105. Yeah, 105 is the top right now. So, I mean, if it breaks 105, man, YOLO it, because sky's the limit. But right now, all time high is at 105, and I'm shocked that it ran that much. 30 was it 30%, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, 30% run up after hours, and I'm holding 6 calls for December 17th, $80 call. So I did the math. I think I'll be up about 45, 46 on this one for profit.
1,000?
I wish it was thousands. Shit. So I would short the stock that we're going to be talking about. Not Palantir. It'll be about 4,600 profit. So my plan is, I think I've mentioned it to you guys, is to actually own at least 200 shares, and that's for the long, because I do think that Facebook getting into the whole metaverse, and I think that's just the beginning. And Roblox, their entire concept is the metaverse.
Yeah. If you're gonna look at a company right now that's essentially the metaverse, it's Roblox.
It's Roblox, yeah. And look at all these kids, man. My nephew plays them. 47 daily average users, and majority of them are kids asking their parents, "Hey, can I get a skin? Hey, can I get this weapon? Hey, can I get?" Jesus Christ, man! It's a great concept.
Oh yeah. I can't wait till Teddy starts asking me to play it. Pretty sure I'll cave in.
But yeah, let's use the top and the bottom for after hours, and we're going to use those levels for tomorrow. So stay tuned on that one.
So the bottoms are $97.43. You could really, this is going to be an amazing, because there's going to be a gap fill. So if we take a look at the daily chart again, right? If we take
huge
the daily chart, the gap fill is right here. The gap is going to be at 105 over on 900, like right here. This is where the gap is going to open up. You see all this dead space right there, this dead space that needs to get filled somehow.
Yeah.
Right. So expect this to either trade sideways tomorrow, right? Trade sideways tomorrow, or it might just give us a nice little flush before bouncing all the way up again. I'd love to get a flush and bounce. That would be an amazing move.
Yeah.
Right. The next stock that we want to talk about is Robinhood, ticker symbol SHIT.
Wait, what'd you say?
Yeah, ticker symbol for Robinhood is SHIT.
People are gonna look it up. Is it really? Michael, is there a ticker symbol for SHIT? Hold on.
It should be Robinhood.
That sucks.
It should be Robinhood.
No results found. Okay, we're good.
No results found. So Robinhood has been trading in this like channel for quite some time now, and it's getting worse. Right? We saw a bad earnings report, and then it's trying again. But here it is. This is what we call a dead cat bounce at this point, because it's trying, right? It flagged. We're seeing two green days and then another pop. But look what happened after hours. Bang. Flush.
Damn.
Flush. And the reason for that is, John.
That sucks. Well, it's because, your data has been compromised. They had a data breach. So meaning, if you're holding, I don't know, 16 million shibs, someone out there knows that you're holding 16 million shibs.
Oh, they don't even trade on Robinhood.
Well, that sucks. Okay.
Yeah. They don't even trade on Robinhood. So
I just wanted to say it out there. Well, if you're holding, if you're holding 100 shares of AMC, someone knows that you're holding 100 AMC, and that's embarrassing.
Okay, we're just gonna go full blown hater, huh?
Sink it like a
All right. So from a day trading perspective, I like to short this tomorrow below $36.52 because that is the low of today, which presented itself at the 6:30 candle, and we're testing those again. Those levels are being tested again. I do think that this has potential to drop. If we're taking a look at the daily chart here, it has room at the next level of support, which is $33.73.
Sheesh.
I'm
curious. Like, I'm still baffled. Why did it run all the way that high?
The initial pop? It was because institutional investors are hopping in.
I know.
You know what I mean? It's the IPO craze.
Kathy Woods was in that too.
Yeah. I mean, one of her questionable trades, in my opinion.
Yeah.
One of her questionable trades. Let's move on from shitty stocks to a good stock, which is Palantir.
I thought you were gonna say AMC. I was gonna.
Whoa!
I was gonna turn off my mic and like shut my computer.
Where's some sodium levels are rising.
All right, let's talk about Palantir, please. Palantir is reporting earnings tomorrow. Okay, pre-market. And for this one right here, you got tons of support. It's been riding the EMA 9 for quite some time now. It'll be like about a month now. Cross our fingers that hopefully this is it. It's been.
Is this it, Chief?
I'm like, I don't want to say I'm losing my patience, but it hasn't moved in like 9 months.
You know why? Because every time it gives us like anything above the 27, you know what it does? Insiders sell.
It takes some time.
Like,
yeah.
It's
sometimes dude, sometimes I don't even look at Palantir anymore. Like whenever I look at my portfolio, I'm like, skip Palantir and skip, like it has not moved. Look at it. Like
because every time it tries to go for
17.
Every time it tries to go to a higher range, a CEO or a CFO or a vice president starts selling off some shares for tax purposes. I get it. You have stock-based compensation. That makes sense to me. But come on. The reason why it's such a high float is because people start selling off, and it's not a horrible stock. It's not. It's just the insiders just need to sell it for tax purposes.
Man, remember the good old days when it was in the 40s,
Oh man, I miss those days. So Palantir is reporting earnings tomorrow. A little bit of a bullish sentiment, in my opinion. They're reporting earnings before the market, and we saw 27.20 after hours.
Yeah, climbed a little bit. I don't know. Someone's probably trying to gamble some shares.
Yeah, somebody's probably trying to gamble some shares because this is like a pretty unique pop right here.
Yeah, but Palantir really doesn't move a whole lot during earnings, though. So I don't know. This might be a dry one, but I'm still long on this one. Long. So I just want it to run like its cousin, Asana. It's a Peter Thiel company as well. Asana went 10x.
Yeah, parabolic.
In like how many months? And
we're over here twiddling our thumbs.
Hasn't done shit in 9 months.
Nope.
Fuck. Go ahead.
None whatsoever. That's pretty much it for today's episode of Daddies. I hope you guys found that informative and useful.
Hold on, man. You know what else hasn't done a whole lot lately?
What?
AMC. All right.
Oh my god. Oh my god. El Salto. El Salto Maximo. El Salto. Man, oh man. John with the salty takes.
See you later.
Oh man, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. New to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active traders that have your best interests at heart. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Also follow us on social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. TradingDaddies.com for Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up because John, if they give us a thumbs down, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.